So I'm going to install this aerial socket neatly through a windowsill. So here I've got a standard aerial socket. You can see I'm holding it in just to show you what it looks like. We've got the bottom part. Now this type of socket is often mounted on the inside of a window frame or windowsill. But for now, I'm not actually going to screw it into place. I'm just going to show you, demonstrate exactly what I'm going to do. Now the neatest way of doing it is you take the cable. Let me just demonstrate this. So you just simply drill a hole and push it straight through the window frame. When you've done that, just push enough through for you to work on it properly. Say about 5 or 6 inches. When you've done that, you can then strip it back here and you can fix it on like so. Now, let me just demonstrate to you how that's done. Now what you can do is measure off how much insulation you should have. So if it's there, you can see roughly where it should be. Now it's not the best kind of socket to install. So that is why you should have enough cable to play with. So you take that off. Again, measure it up. And then cut off what I'd recommend is taking this clamp off completely. And the problem with this particular clamp is that that part there is too small for the standard cables that you use. It doesn't really fit easily over there, over that there, with the braid as well. And of course you can see the screws are very small as well. And all that does hold this in place. It's all part of the structure of the socket. As I say, it's not a very good system. However, there isn't really many out there that is of quality. Clear where it should be lined up. It should be on that side there. Make sure you haven't got any of the screed, any of the braid touching the inner core. Do this up. Now you need really another pair of hands. Screw it in there. That's it. So that's now fitted. You then pull the rest of the cable back out, so you've only got a small section here. And then you use these rubber screws as well and screw them down into the windowsill, and then that's it. Now I personally wouldn't use these. I would use the standard large face plates. They're much more easier to use and to maintain in the future. But since we're stuck with these, there's not much we can do about that. So, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.